So my hair right now is kind of dry, and I'm drinking the water that was supposed to go in my hair. So you saw last week's video was a fail. That's better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. But I made it work all week. I kind of redid some big bantu knots and kind of got some waves, but nothing special. So this is what my hair looks like now. I kind of combed it out a bit, but as you can see, it's still dry. And because I am 9 months post relaxer, you're going to see that it's almost like your hair starts to look a bit thin after not relaxing. And it's not actually thin, it's just that your roots are so thick and your ends are like relaxed, so they're much straighter. So your roots are gonna look super full and your ends are gonna look a little meh. So this is why I kind of stick to a curly style, because it's a really good blend and you don't really notice the difference. So let's jump into it. So today you're gonna need my favorite thing to use to part, in which is a coloring brush. I'm gonna maybe use a Denman brush or a flat brush. I'm still not sure which one. Wide tooth comb, as always. And then some duckbill clips, so you can use these ones, like these, or you can use the metal kind. And we're gonna use our go-to leave-in conditioner, which is the can too, and water. And the last thing you're gonna need is some perm rods. I have two different sizes. So I have the orange size and the purple size. I like to mix my sizing. We're gonna section your hair into 4 sections. If you don't want a middle part at the end, don't do a middle part now. So if you don't want your hair to kind of go to each side and you kind of want a bang or a swoop, don't part it down the middle. I personally don't care, so that's why I'm parting it in the middle. And then I'm just gonna twist my hair up so that I can see the back. A lot of questions I get is that, why did I choose to be Texlax and not relaxed and not natural? The reason is that I like my hair to be manageable, and I have thick hair, so I don't want to be constantly doing my hair. That's why I only do my hair once every week, and I only wash once every 2 weeks. One, it gives me less manipulation, but also it just gives me less work to do. First things first, you're gonna take some of your water. You can just dip your fingers in there. It's cold water too, so it feels nice. You don't want your hair wet, you just want it damp, as the same way you would do another curly style. You're gonna take some leave-in conditioner on your finger. And the one thing I'm not gonna do today is that I'm not gonna use an oil, because I'm gonna be using the oil tomorrow morning when I take these out. I really right now just want to give my hair moisture. And yes, I know that normally I would seal it with an oil. Not today. So I don't want my hair to be too oily, because I know that I will not be washing, no, I will be washing my hair next week, but you know, it's gonna be a special occasion. You don't want big sections, maybe an inch of a section. And when you're doing this, you have to make sure that the hair is nice and moisturized. Okay, so let's get close to me. I like to start at the middle, and then like a flexi rod, I start turning until I get to the root and clip. So I'm at the front now, and what's happening, as usual, I'm running out of nudes. Can we call this nude anymore? Beige, I guess. And I'm running out of the orange. So I have more purples, so I'm thinking I have to go back in, and I'm going to have to take out these colors and maybe just do all purple. So this is my last one for the top, so right now. So I'm going to see how this turns out, and you can see it too. It's been so long since I've done a perm rod set, and I forgot how easy it was. Like, cause last week, man, those bantu knots were so tight, it was so bad. I know, and this is what I don't. Ooh. But if you want to check out my fail, you can check out last week's video. When you're getting perm rods, buy an extra pack just in case. it breaks, because sometimes the elastic will break. Alright, third time's a charm, I hope. Okay, let's try that again. And get it to stay, and that's what the elastic's there for. And I can tell you for a fact, perm rods are easier to sleep on than bantu knot and flexi rod. And depending on your hair, that's how you're gonna know how many packs you'd need. So if you think you need 2 packs, get 3. Because even if you don't use it, the next time you do this style, you probably, like, the elastics may have been damaged or whatever. So you're probably going to need that extra pack. Don't throw these away. Even though they're broken, I'll show you at the end how we're gonna use these ones. Okay, I'll be back. So what you're gonna do is, if you have perm rods that are broken, so you're gonna remove the elastic instead of trying to fix it. You're gonna grab a hairpin, a bobby pin. Well, not a bobby pin, but a hairpin actually. So you're gonna grab a hairpin, and when you roll, when you finish, you're gonna stick your finger in the hairpin and close it. So grab the roller. She's feeling a little dry. For the best curls, you don't want it to be dry. You want it to be a little bit damp when you roll it, and then in the morning it's going to dry. So you're gonna grab that, your hole, find your hole, stick the hairpin over, and there you go. It's gonna stay. And I'm going to cover this up and get ready for work in the morning. So I'd normally put this on my face once a week before bed. And I'm not bougie. I got a clean mask or face mask. I'm using these St. Ives. See that? The firming mineral clay mask, deep cleansing, firm skin, and it has no parabens. It's paraben free, dermatologist tested, and oil free, because my skin is already oily. I cannot reach my forehead because of my hair, so it's just gonna be done Anyways, my camera is dying. I'm brushing my teeth and get ready for bed, and I will see you in the morning. And I look hella crazy, so good night. It's morning. I am almost ready for work, so now I'm gonna do my reveal. I'm half asleep. It's 5:30 in the morning, and yeah, my allergies are up here. I thought allergy season, or my allergy season, was over, because normally it happens more in the spring, but my goodness, like, I just had to take some medication because I feel so congested. So anyways, normal allergy. So let's start unraveling. Ooh, okay. Gonna rock this to work. These were so easy to put on. Well, to put on and to sleep with, honestly. They were so easy. So all I did is, as usual, take the marula oil. I'm gonna start from the back. Look at that. Look at them curls, y'all. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a roll, and then I'm gonna start to separate. And this time, I'm only gonna separate one time, because I do not want frizz. And if you get a snag, be gentle. I decided last night to switch to these kinds of hairpins. Keep sectioning it. The thicker ones, I'll do 3, but no more. Oof. Did you catch that? Did you catch that? So if you wake up in the morning and it's not as dry as you want, you can either blow dry it with the rollers on, or you can, I don't know how long your commute to work is. Mine says like 45 minutes to an hour. You can leave your rollers in and take them out in the car. Just make sure, you know, if you don't want to be seen, just park in another parking lot, take out your hair, and then drive to work. So here's my last one. Nice and springy too. Talk about it. So I had 2 messed up areas. This is, can you see it? This is what it looks like. The only one that was still a little wet was this one. I can use a hairpin and tuck her away. You know, with curls, the more you open them, the bigger it's gonna get. So this is great for like your first day sizing. And then tomorrow I'm gonna sleep in a pineapple, and then I'm gonna take it out tomorrow. And after that, it's going to just get bigger and bigger, and I'm gonna keep opening and opening and open it. The nails, I'm enjoying this style. Like, stiff what? Stiff what here? Like,
ooh, stiff what? Stiff what? Hurry, stiff what? Oh, no way. Stiff what? Wow. No.
It's a success. I'm so scared because I thought like, oh my god, it's gonna be a fail, but actually it was really good. So that's it, ladies. This is the final look. So actually, what's so great is that I'm on time, and if I leave you now, I'll be on time for work. But I'm enjoying these curls. So if you like this video or this format, you can check out the other ones where I've done different curls, like the Perm Rod Set and the Bantu knot. That was a fail. And I've done some straightening too. If you've liked and subscribe to my channel, I'm sending you all the love, because it just kind of tells me that I'm doing something right, and I'm actually, you know, you're enjoying my content. And if you haven't yet, or if this is your like 3rd video, then what are you waiting for? Maybe subscribe, maybe like, you know, tell your girl she's doing okay. And also, this is not a negative space, so I love positive criticism, or if you see I'm doing something one way and maybe another way would be better, that I will completely appreciate. But no hating, no drama, you know what I mean? One love, and that's what we're all about. So that's it. I'm out.